now that you have learned your single shuffle time step, next we're going to move to the double. And in time steps, when we say double, that means that somewhere where you had a step in the single, you are now going to have a flap in the double. And something I've noticed, but every time step I've ever learned that has a hop in it, what immediately follows the hop is what's going to determine if it's a single, double, or triple. So after the hop in the single, you did a step. After the hop in the double, you're going to do a flap. So, as I said before, if you look what happens after the hop, that tells you single, double, triple. A single has a step, a double has a flap, a triple has a shuffle step. So to make this single time step a double, we are going to change the step after the hop to a flap. So you're going to end up doing 2 flaps in a row. It's going to be shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. So starting with that right foot, you're doing shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. Okay, let's take it a little bit slower. I also want to turn sideways. So you see that shuffle still is to the front, and then before the flap, to prep for the flap, you're bringing the foot back just a little bit. You don't want to bring it way back here, but shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. Shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. Very often in my class, people really tend to travel on those flaps, and you'll see people, and that's not what it is. You want to keep the flaps right underneath you. You might travel forward a little bit, but you don't want to travel a great deal. And especially if you're working at home on a tap board, you need to keep everything right underneath you so you're not going to fall off your board. All right, let's walk through it kind of slow. You start with that shuffle, you do your hop, you do a flap, make sure you change your weight on that flap, you do another flap, and then you step. Then you start over on the left side, shuffle, hop, flap, step. It's hard to do it slow. Shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. Shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, fall, lap, step. 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 That is your double. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, fall,